Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Work Health Life. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your account in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there. And now you have to type in Work Health Life login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Let's select don't allow for now, and here make sure to tap into the site that is logged in. And also, more than that, it's important that you tap into the official site, which is this one. It may take a while depending on your internet connection. You may have to wait. Okay, now you'll be created with the login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. You have to type in your email that is associated with your account, and of course your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. At the very bottom you can see forgot your password option. You can simply tap in there and it will help you. And if you are a new user and you do not have an account, you can simply tap in that option that's a don't have an account, and it will help you again. So since we have already typed in all our credentials that is required, all we gotta do now is hit that sign in button and you be signed into your Work Health Life. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.